Hello and welcome to another video brought to you by the SLU EdTech team. In this particular video, I'm going to show you how to set up a course that you have in Canvas. So let's get started. Courses in Canvas are transferred from PowerSchool, so there is nothing that you have to do. You don't have to import any student, you don't have to import any teachers or anything like that. The courses already are there for you. Anytime there is a change in PowerSchool, a student that left one course for another or maybe dropped out, that change automatically will appear in Canvas. I'm going to click on one of my courses and I'm going to show you some of the basic setup in your settings that you will have to do before you can actually get started with the Canvas course itself. I'm going to click on my Semester 1 Web Programming course. When you click on a course, you're presented with a home page for that particular course. Home pages are different from teachers to teachers. You might choose to have and create your personal welcome home page. The home page might be a list of assignments that are coming up. The home page may be the syllabus for your class, or it can be a list of the module for that particular course, which is what I have for my web programming course. I will show you how to create a home page shortly. First of all, I want to talk to you about the settings. Under the settings is where you can set up some basic structure for your course. When you click on the course settings, over here you're able to set up some basic parameter for your Canvas course. You can add an image for your course. Optionally, you can change the name for your course. The time zone is already set up. The school is already set up. The semester that the participant on is already set up. There is no need to change any of these settings. The one thing that you will want to do is you want to enable a grading scheme, which is also a grading scale. Now, if you teach a particular course that has a predefined grading scale from PowerSchool, let me give an example. English uses a particular type of grading scale. You will need to choose that grading scale for your course. Very important. Before you start doing anything with your course, you need to choose a grading scheme. How you do that is click View Grading Scheme. It's set up to be the default grading scheme that we have in PowerSchool, but if you need to choose a particular grading scale, you're going to click Select another grading scale, and you're going to give in here a list of the grade scale that are particular to SLU. You can select the grade scale that you want, and then you'll be able to set up that grade scale. Once you set the grade scale, you're going to click Upgrade Course Detail, and that particular grade scale is updated. In the section portion underneath your settings, over here you will be able to see all of the sections that are particular to that particular course. I will go more in detail about section and cross-listing in the next video. So let's skip to navigation. Navigation gives you an option for you to customize this left navigation column that appear in each one of your course. So let's say that you want your announcement to be on just underneath home, or your module just underneath your announcement. You can organize the way your the different elements appear in your particular course. The navigation is custom for each one of your courses. So if you want announcement to be number 1 in one course, but you want it to be last in another one, you can do that. In the navigation, you can also remove certain items that are not important for that particular course. Let's say that we don't take attendance, so we can disable attendance. There are two ways that you can disable an item. One, you can grab that item and move it underneath to disable it. Or two, you can click on this module and you can click disable. Once you're done setting up your navigation, then you will be able to click Save. Now, the item will still appear in the list for yourself. They're going to be grayed out, but for the student view, they won't be able to see it. So, underneath Settings, if you want to see what a student see, you will be able to click Student View. Still under Settings, Apps. Apps are any other application that is partnered with Canvas that has integrated with Canvas. Right now, we currently integrate with our Google account, we integrate with YouTube, Khan Academy, coding, we integrate with Turnitin, and a bunch of other applications. But if you have a particular app that you would like to use in Canvas, you can search for that particular app here and you can install it to your particular course. If this app is important to multiple teachers, then please request it to an administrator to install that app school-wide so that every teacher will be available to use it. Feature option. These are options that are available to you to use into your gradebook that in some cases have been enabled for everybody by the administrator. One, to give you an example, is the grade pass back into PowerSchool. Some other feature that are available for you teacher to enable for your particular courses. Please check with an administrator before you enable anything for your particular course so that we can take a look at that particular option together.